Good morning, everybody. It is Saturday morning, another nice sunny day here in Bisbee. And today we're just gonna kind of plunk around, do some tourist stuff. There's definitely something I've been wanting to see for a long time. Heard a lot about it, and today's the day. So we're cruising along just outside of Bisbee, and we're up on the hills. I think we're gonna get a good look down at the town from up here. We're kind of going over where the tunnel coming into town passes on the main road below. Ah, there we go, look at that, pretty. Very nice. So we climbed up on the highest mountain outside town, and this is looking north. Quite a view. Wow. Now in Naco, Arizona, and that's as far south as we're going, because there's this great big wall here. There it is. Ah, that's better. Well, here it is. Here's where all that money went. And we're gonna cruise along here for a while. Check it out. Local constabulary on the job. Wow. Quite a little hump there. Well, that was kind of cool to go down right along the border for a while there. And afterwards we just cut across the desert for a while, found a nice dirt road that led us back out to 80, and now we've circled back to Bisbee again. So that was kind of fun, a run down to the wall. Really wanted to see that, get a picture of it while we were here. And so we've come back to the Jonquil, dropped off a couple of the guys who really just want to go in and check out town, and Ash and I are gonna pick up a ride or two, and then we're gonna head north to the Dragoon Mountains and check those out. was kind of hoping this trail would bring us in closer to the rocks, but it didn't. We may have to explore some side trails. But those must be the Dragoon Mountains. And we have run into a few ATVs and even cars out here, so keep the speed down and the eyes open. Well, the Dragoons are pretty nice. I was hoping we'd get a little closer to the rocks. We did at times, but I guess you gotta be a hiker to get up into them and really enjoy them. But still, it was pretty pleasant riding, a little bit sandy. A lot of people back up in there, but then it's Easter weekend. Glad I went. That was worth it. Well, we've squeezed our way into Tombstone, and hopefully we'll be able to grab some lunch here. It is packed. Tourists everywhere. Where they have the big shootout, probably every hour on the hour. So I'm all lined up here when we got here. Decent lunch, but ready to kind of move on a bit. Not going to take the stage. All right, back out into the desert again. Nice little windy road so far. This is turning into a pretty nice little road. Winding through the hills here. Little rocky in spots, little sandy in spots, but come on, it's the desert. I'm enjoying everything but the dust. The dust is getting a little old. So that was a pretty nice hop over the mountain there. I like that trail. It was a lot of fun. It was very rolly, up and down, and nice twists and some good corners. Not overly rocky, not overly sandy, and really pretty with all the trees right along it and everything. And now we're kind of rolling out into the open desert. Last stop before we go in. Top them off for tomorrow. Well, it's time to say goodbye to the jungle. Get on the interstate and make it happen. It's been nice. I needed this break. Looking forward to coming back to Bisbee. 9:45 and we are in Phoenix. Long hot drive, 93 degrees here today so far. All right. Here we are. Yeehaw. Oh, that's sad. There goes my GSA. I do have a love for those bikes, even off-road. And another one survives the trip unscathed. Me too.